Hello friends, in this video I will try to explain about internet. The internet is a vast network that connects systems all over the world. Through the internet people can share information and communicate from anywhere with an internet connection. The internet was invented by Bob Kahn and Vint Cerf in the early 1970s. Actually they were working on ARPANET, the Advanced Research Projects Agency's network, the Defense Department of USA. The computer network pioneer Paul Barron was working on networks to how to build a communication system that might actually survive a nuclear bomb attack. Paul Barron had the idea of breaking messages up into blocks and sending them as fast as possible in every possible direction through the mesh network. So that's when the internet was created and it became a nationwide experimental packet network that worked. ICANN, Internet Corporation for Assigned Names and Numbers, has entrusted 14 individuals to maintain secretly the 7 keys that has the power to shut down and reboot the internet. So how are the 7 keys protected and how does the encryption and decryption work? It all starts with DNS, Domain Network System. All the computers that make up the internet are identified via long numbers called Internet Protocol Address, IP address. Example, if I need to visit Twitter with the help of a public key, that is twitter.com, I can easily reach Twitter. So I need not to type the IP address of Twitter to access it because Twitter has already registered its private key in the DNS. Note, a public key is a number everybody can know. Example, IP address. A private key is a very secret password and also encrypted by the entity. Example, Twitter's DNS registered password or number. Now, as the DNS is authenticated, the information saying twitter.com is 199.59.148.0 is signed by Twitter using their private key and my system uses Twitter's public key to access it. The numbers that make up the private key that secures the whole DNS are stored on hard drives inside physical boxes called hardware security modules, and there are 4 of them, kept in pairs in ICANN stations 2500 miles apart, one in Culpeper, Virginia and one in El Segundo, California. To open those hardware security modules, you need several smart cards, and those smart cards can only be accessible by 7 physical keys. Do you know that the internet we are using is just 5% of the total internet web? Yes. So where is the remaining 95% of the internet web? The answer is hidden internet. The internet web is divided into 3 parts. First one, surface web. Anyone who has a good internet connection can access surface web through standard web search engines like Google, Yahoo, etc. So the second part is deep web, also called as the first part of the hidden internet. This part includes those contents that are not indexed by standard web search engines. Example, online cloud storage, Google Drive, etc. You can't just open a cloud storage file by just googling it. And now the last and the dangerous part is the dark web. Warning, this dark web is completely illegal and do not ever try to access it. The dark web is like a black sea in the internet. All the things that happen here are purely illegal, such as Hitman.net, a Supari contract killer's website, and smuggling, drugs dealing, many undefinable contents, torture sites, and then comes the cruel and brutal website called Red Room. In this site, some cruel and fiendish things like live murders and so many unpredictable and barbaric things will happen daily in this website, and it has no barriers, and till today no country has succeeded in stopping this. It's all because of a separate search engine called Tor browser or Onion router. This Onion router allows its users to hide their IP address, or it gives the permission to create their own fake IP address. So that's why if a drug dealer's IP address shows London at the first time and within a minute it will show in Sri Lanka, and the signal always jumps, so to find the depth or root of this dark web is highly impossible. Okay, let's have some fun now. Now go to your Google search engine and search this website and share your views.